Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiffany's Fine Art. I am Tiffany, and if it's your first time here, I would love to meet you, so please make sure to leave a comment below just saying hi if that's all you want to do. But I read every single one of them, and I would love, love, love to meet you. So let's get drawing. So before you start drawing, pay attention to where your light source is coming from, because that will play a big key factor in anything that you do art-wise. And then once you figure that out, lightly start to draw whatever it is that you want to draw. In this case, I'm going to draw a little post so I can have the grass can lay up against something, so you kind of get the idea of how big the grass is in proportion to what a fence post will look like. So like I said, right now I'm just laying a very light idea down on the canvas. And you do this because if you would like to tweak anything, it's very easy to do. And then you want to start to establish where the light is coming from. So if you can tell, my light source is coming from this angle. And that is why the right side of the post is darker and the bottom part of the post is a lot darker. Now this is still not my darkest pencil. And if you do not have artist pencils, don't feel like you can't create a drawing. A drawing can be done from anything. Even if you have a mechanical pencil, drawing is drawing. Everything you do, no matter what, is practice, and you'll need all of the practice you can get. I think keeping a sketchbook is very important. I try and draw on it every single day, and I feel that in doing so, it helps with my paintings, because before I start a painting, and I'll go into more depth in this in another video, but before I start a painting, I always sketch my composition first to figure out how the composition lies and make sure that it's all working together. So sketching can help with all aspects of your art. So right now, all I'm doing is pretty much giving it some ground and blending right here. These little tiny blender sticks are awesome. But again, if you don't have the money to have art supplies like this, use a Kleenex. Just wad it up and you can twist it into a point and you can achieve the same effect. So look around to see what you could have that would blend and just work with that. So now I want to show you all the different types of grass. You got to really pay attention if you want to make grass look great. Right here, grass bends. Grass is never straight. When you draw grass, never draw a straight line. It's always thicker at the bottom, and normally the grass we have around here always has a thick stem in the middle of it, which can easily cause shadow on one half of it, kind of making it bend a little bit. But grass is never the same. This one right here, it's bent. And there's a bunch of different ways grass can fall and lie. So don't be too timid about trying to try different types of grass. So there you have it. It's personally up to you if you want to keep a sketchbook or not. I am challenging myself to sketch more each day because I think that it will help in all aspects of my art. If you do start a sketchbook, please let me know in the comments below, and Let me know where you're at in your journey. If you found this video helpful, I would really like to know in the comments below as well. And if you liked it, make sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. I'd love to see you in the next video. Bye guys.